Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos chaat at home. First, arrange a layer of crispy tortilla chips on a serving platter. Next, evenly distribute the boiled and diced potatoes over the chips. Finally, scatter the rinsed chickpeas across the platter, ensuring a good mix for every bite. This base sets the stage for all the amazing flavors to come. Now, let's elevate the flavor profile with some fresh toppings. Sprinkle the finely diced red onion and tomato over the chickpea and potato layer. These fresh ingredients add a wonderful crunch and tang. Next, drizzle generous amounts of both sweet tamarind chutney and spicy green chutney across the entire dish. Don't be shy, these chutneys are key to the chaat experience. To balance the spices and add a creamy texture, we'll introduce the yogurt and sev. Gently spoon or drizzle the smooth, whisked plain yogurt over all the toppings. This creates a lovely cooling contrast. Then, generously sprinkle a handful of fine sev over the yogurt layer. The sev adds a fantastic crispy texture and a savory crunch that completes the chaat. For the grand finale, let's add those final touches that make your nachos chaat truly irresistible. Sprinkle a generous amount of freshly chopped cilantro over the entire dish for a burst of freshness and color. For an extra layer of authentic flavor, dust a pinch of chaat masala over everything. Serve immediately to enjoy the perfect blend of textures and tastes. Remember to check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.